Honey, happy Tuesday! Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. Avon Christmas has launched today. It was super exciting to get up this morning and see Avon Christmas on my e-store. So today I decided to put my Santa hat back on and I'm going to do an Avon Christmas gift guide, gifts under $15. There's a lot under $15. And what I love about the under $15 range is that you can use these gifts for teachers, you can use them for your mail person, you can use them like gifts for elderly people, your dog groomer, your hair salon, and they just make really good Secret Santa exchange gifts too. So there's a lot you can do with a $15 and under gift. So I'm going to go through some of the stuff that is under $15. There's actually a lot of it. So yeah, actually, if you go to my e-store and then you click on Shop Now, Avon actually did this really cool thing. They have gifts under 15, gifts under 25, and gifts under 50. So today I'm going over the gifts under 15, and they give a lot of suggestions, but there's also a couple things that I'm going to talk about that are not on the gift guide page, but you can search for them on Avon. If you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. And if you want to sign up to get my e-coupons, I'll also put the link below. You can go to www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. That's my blog. Sign up for those e-coupons. If you're brand new to signing up, if you just signed up a couple days ago for my e-coupons, I think the new ones are arriving tomorrow in your mailbox. So check your spam folder. Look for those. Even if you don't get the email, though, if you log into your Avon account, using the email address that you signed up for the coupons with, they should show up. There's a little pink dot next to offers. So it's all good. We have a new A-Box. If you spend $60, you get a free A-Box. And I think there's a free shipping on under 50. I got to check. There's a couple of them. I'm actually sending them out in waves this time. Here, let me go to my website really quick. queenofthegirlgeeks.com. Avon coupons. So for campaign 23, we're going to have the Festival Vibes A-Box, a free a new Ultimate Day Cream travel size. I'll be sending that coupon out in a couple days. 10% off a $40 order and free shipping with a $50 order. So I sent 2 coupons out today, so you should get them tomorrow, and then I'll send a couple other coupons towards the end of the week. I like to stagger them a little bit so they don't overload your inbox. So anyway, I'm so excited. Let's get started on what Avon has got for under $15. Oh my gosh, you guys. The Veilment Soap. These are really awesome girlfriend gifts. This is a natural spa bamboo exfoliating soap. They smell so good. They come in charcoal, and then they come in the Himalayan pink salt. They have like a little logo on them. These are $6, and they come in a really pretty box. These are wrapped when you get them in the package. So these make excellent little stocking stuffers and girlfriend gifts. Also, where did I put that? Oh my gosh, I brought a whole bunch of stuff out here, and I can't find it. That's okay. We'll go with this next. Check this out, you guys. This is a Skin So Soft Radiant Glow Illuminating Dry Oil Mist. This gets great reviews. $8.49. Check out the shine and glimmer on this. It's like an oil, a moisturizing oil that you can spray on your skin, and it gives you a little bit of shine there, and it smells really good. This is a really popular product. This would be awesome. You can actually pair this up with the soap, and I think you're still at like maybe $16. So that is pretty awesome. The birthday bombs, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite Avon lipsticks. They're like a crayon. This would make a great gift for someone who likes moisturized lips. They do I know we're wearing the mask now, so it's like the lipstick is kind of, I do wear lipstick every day. I like putting it on for me. And of course I'm on YouTube, but these also give you a little bit of moisture. So I love the birthday bombs. Those are $9.99. The glimmer shadows, you guys, holy moly. You know these are like my favorite eyeshadows. I'm actually wearing the K-Beauty ColourPop right now, though. That one's really nice, too. But these are awesome. These would make great gifts for like a daughter, a sister. Check those out. I think these are like $7.99. Awesome stocking stuffers, you guys. You got to start thinking stocking stuffers. Oh, I found what I was looking for. These are $13. These are the Korean Beauty. They're a flat two-tone lipstick. These are pretty awesome. They come in 6 different shades. They are paraben-free, and they're so cool because they're ombre. So what you do is you get a light and a dark shade, and then what you do is you take the dark shade and you put it this way and then on top, and it kind of looks like a little bit of a lip liner, and then the lighter shade goes in. It just gives your lips a little bit of dimension. But these come in 6 different shades. I gotta get a couple of more of those. They're awesome. Let me see. Let me go back here. Jewelry. There's a lot of jewelry on this page. I'll put a screenshot up. The Color Baguette ring set. I want to get a couple of those. They're $12.99. You get 2 rings in the set. There's blue, green, a black, and a red. Super fun for the holidays. Of course, you guys know I've been talking about the hand cream for like 100 years, but I can't stop talking about it. I love the Christmas hand cream. These are $2.20, so those are way under $15. Awesome stocking stuffers. Oh my gosh, you guys, the toothpaste. I know it's odd to think you might want to give someone toothpaste as a gift, but this is a toothpaste that people are going to go wow on. It's called the Tooth Balm. This is Korean Beauty also. It's by a company called Perio. It's been around for like 100 years. And this one is, the flavor is lemon basil mint. These are awesome, and they're so classy looking. How cool would this be to get in a stocking? They kind of remind me of something I would see in Harry Potter. You know me, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I also have the Earl Grey tea mint. They come in this box, and then the tube is just, it's super pretty. Look at that. I don't know. I would really love to get this in my stocking. So we got that. Oh my gosh, you guys. If you have a girlfriend, a daughter, a sister, any of your female relatives, actually guys might like this too, I highly recommend the Propoly Thera hair mask. It's $15, comes in this pot. I've been using, you know me, I've been talking about the Elastine Propoly Thera hair collection for like 3 months now. My hair is the longest it's been since high school. It's in really good condition, and I really believe it's from this Propoly Thera hair collection. It's got the royal jelly in it, and like some sort of tree sap, but this is a neat stocking stuffer that's exactly $15. We have a lot of earrings. What else did I pull out here? Oh, these giant Skin So Soft original. They have I think the pink one and the coconut one. Shower to $12.99. This is an amazing like Secret Santa gift. Who wouldn't like this? That's awesome. Here's one piece of jewelry. I call this my Harry Potter inspired jewelry. Check that out. It's got a moon on it. I believe these are like $12.99. What else did I pull out here? Oh, the Crave lip gloss. These are fun for stockings. I believe these are in the $5.99 range. They might be $4.99. These make awesome stocking stuffers. They come in all kinds of neat flavors and shades. Look at that brown. This one is salted caramel. This one is an amazing one. I'm going to put some salted caramel on right now. I love their lip gloss. I really do. They have a nice formula. The only problem is getting it out of the package. That's like, I swear, Avon does a really good job with packaging, and I think sometimes they do too good of a job because sometimes I can't get the packaging off, which is good for leakage. I've never had anything leak from Avon, which is good, but I think I'm going to need scissors. That's okay. I'm not going to try this one on. It's well packaged. Check that out, though. Look how pretty that color is. This is gorgeous. So definitely check those out. What else do we have? Oh, this is coming. It's not here yet. It is the Apple Glace. This is the new scent from Avon. Avon only brings out like one body care line in the fall and then one in the for Christmas. But this one's a good one. It's Apple Glace, Icy Melon, and Twinkling Vanilla Flakes. It smells cool and apple-y and fruity. There's something about this one that I really like. I need to get the lotion. Right now, you can buy, as a stocking stuffer, the Cozy Vanilla and Coconut. This is a good winter scent, too. I actually really like the Cozy Vanilla. It's kind of a straight-on vanilla. It smells amazing with like a hint of coconut. It doesn't smell beachy at all, which is what I like about it. So those make great stocking stuffers. I think that's all I pulled out right now. If you look on the website, like I said, I will link below to the gifts under $15. Start your Christmas shopping now. Christmas is going to be here before we know it. I am an Avon rep. I do all online. Shipping is free on $60, and then sign up for my e-coupons. You're going to see me a lot for the holiday season. We're going to have everything here, but check it out, all the cool Avon stuff for Christmas. So, yay! Christmas launch today. I'm so excited. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.